Hello and welcome to this new tutorial about the Take It Serious game. Today I'll be talking about the different buildings you can place on the map. I'm going to use the teaser view for this video, and more precisely I'm inside the scenario editor. All the icons from this bar here are going to help us place buildings on the map or modify the map. The first thing you can do is delete elements on the map, either one by one or by selecting big areas. If you have layered elements like this power cable on top of the road, you can delete them one by one. Here I will delete only the power cable, and after that I can delete the road if I want to. Next we have terraforming, which allows us to modify the shape of the terrain. We can either raise or lower the ground, or we can level it so it can form plateaus or plains. We also have the option to regenerate the terrain from scratch, and by adjusting the terrain properties in this window, we can produce different terrain shapes and biomes. Next we have the housing. It comes in 4 different types, which are linked to how many people are going to be housed. We have individual houses, low-rise buildings, apartments and skyscrapers. Next we have the industries, in which we have factories, industrial and organic farms. Farms are used as the main source of raw food for the town, and factories are very useful for boosting the revenue of the town. Commercial buildings boost the revenue of the town as well, but also the happiness of the citizens. It comes in food production buildings and shopping malls. Next we have the public services. This category contains fire station, hospitals, police stations, schools and parks. By providing these services to the citizens, it boosts their happiness and contributes to the prosperity of the town overall. Next comes the energy infrastructure, which will help us build the energy network of the city. We have different types of energy production buildings: coal power plants, nuclear power plants, wind farms and solar farms. They all produce energy of a different type, either high or medium. The buildings will be using low or medium voltage energy, so we will have to use the transformers, and we will need to convey the energy through power cables. Next is the water infrastructure. The water pumps are the source of water, and it can be transferred to the other buildings by creating a water pipe network. The water pumps will need a treatment facility near them to purify the water before it is distributed to the other buildings. There are also sewage treatment facilities to help with the water pollution caused by the sewage. Next is everything related to communications. We have the fiber network provider, which provides high-speed internet, the phone and DSL provider, which provides regular speed internet, and the landline service. And last, we have the antennas that provide the mobile service. Next, we have the disaster-related buildings. Having buildings like TV and radio stations on the map will spread awareness about the disasters to the citizens. Having alert towers and coordination centers will provide a level of protection against future disasters. In this category, there are also upgrade tools that allow us to upgrade buildings in bulk with upgrades tailored to the disaster of the current scenario instead of upgrading them one by one. Then we have the roads. There are 2 different types, the regular roads and the asphalt roads, which are more resistant to damages. Lastly, we have the paint terrain property tools. These tools will be available all in the scenario editor if the selected disaster is an earthquake or a flood. We can define fault lines on the map or set the water resistance of some areas. To paint on the map, select a tool first and then left click on the map. To adjust the level of risk to be painted, use the right mouse button to cycle through the different risk options. That's it for the buildings that we can place on the map. I hope you will have a lot of fun playing the game. Goodbye!